Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how if you have created one quiz for a particular division, suppose division A, and now you want to create the same quiz for division B also, or C also, or D also. I am going to talk about one shortcut for that, so that you will definitely going to save your time and you can create same quiz within a second. So what we have to do, just go to your original quiz. Suppose I have created a quiz here, original quiz for division A. Now I want to create the same quiz for division B. So what you have to do is click on that quiz, click this setting button on the right hand side and export the quiz. You have to export the quiz. There are several formats are there. You have to select first one, select your quiz and export all the questions. Your file will get automatically saved in a notepad. This notepad is created and all the questions are which you have typed in while during creation of that quiz are here in a notepad. You don't need to change anything from the notepad. Close that notepad. Now suppose you have to create a same quiz for division B, then go to that division, create follow the same procedure. That means create a quiz, give the name for that quiz and all, then click on that quiz, click on edit quiz. Now we have to add the question. Now in previous quiz you have added a question one by one. Every time you have pressed this a new question and you have added that question. Now what you have to do, first of all you have to click on that quiz button, next means newly created quiz button, and again you have to create click on this right hand side button. And now what you have to do, you have to import that question here. First you have to import. Which file you will select? Same file. You have to choose that file. I will choose that file which I have just downloaded. Okay, give any name. And import all the questions. So look at here, all the questions are imported. I have just created a quiz of 7 questions. Hence 7 questions are imported. Now all the questions are here. Now just go to the same tab, second online practice test, edit quiz, and now you can add the question from question bank. So here is all the question. You have to select at a time all question, press on add selected, and look at here, your quiz is created for second division also or other division also. You can check that. You can switch your role from teacher to student, and now you can easily give that quiz. So the same quiz is created within a second or within a minute in for other division also. Okay, thank you.